Classification and mode of action of disinfectant. Terminology: sepsis, that is bacterial contamination. Asepsis, absence of significant contamination. Antisepsis, chemical destruction of vegetative pathogens on living tissue. Sanitization, lowering microbial count on eating and drinking utensil to safe level. Terminologies: bactericidal, a chemical agent capable of killing bacteria. Virucidal, chemical agent capable of killing viruses. Fungicidal, chemical agent capable of killing fungi. Sporicidal, chemical agent capable of killing spores. Bacteriostatics, chemical agent that inhibit the growth of bacteria but do not necessarily kill them. Introduction. Disinfection is the process of destruction of removal of microorganisms and reducing them to the level not harmful to health. Disinfection generally kills the sensitive vegetative cells but do not hit resistant endospores. If the object is inanimate, that is lifeless, that is non-living thing, such as working area, dishes, benches, etc., the chemical agent is known as disinfectant. However, if the object is animate, living thing, such as human body tissue, chemical is known as antiseptic. Disinfectants are usually bactericidal, but occasionally they may be bacteriostatics. Ideal characteristics of disinfectant: broad spectrum, non-toxic, fast-acting, and odorless, surface compatibility, economical, easy to use, soluble and miscible, not affected by physical factors, stable on storage. Classification of disinfectant. The chemical agents are classified as follows: acid and alkalis, halogens, heavy metals, phenol and its derivative, alcohol, aldehyde, quaternary ammonium compound, dyes, detergent and soap. Classification of disinfectant in that acid and alkalis. Generally, strong acid and alkali kill the bacteria, but weak organic acid inhibit their growth. Both are useful because of corrosive natures. For acid, proportional to the hydrogen ion concentration of the solutions. Example: strong acid HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, H3PO4. Weak acid in that example C6H5COOH, C7H6O3 and CH3COOH. For alkalis, dependent on dissociation and release of hydroxyl ion in the solution. Halogens: chlorine, fluorine, bromine and iodine are the free state as well as their compounds strongly act as germicidal. Mechanism of action of chlorine: available in organic, inorganic and gaseous form, mainly used in municipal water. Its action is due to the formation of hypochlorous acid when chlorine reacts with water, that is chlorination. pH become 4. Oxygen released in this reaction act on cellular constituents of the microbes. Here is one reaction: chlorine plus water gives hypochlorous acid plus HCl. Then this hypochlorous acid uh, dissociate and produce HCl and nascent oxygen. Then in presence of that nascent oxygen and germs are oxidized. Heavy metals. The most widely used heavy metals are those of mercury, silver and copper. Heavy metals and their compound act as antimicrobials by combining with the cellular protein. High concentration of salt of heavy metals like mercury, copper and silver coagulate cytoplasmic protein, resulting in the damage or death of cell. Phenol and its derivative. Phenol is the chief product obtained by the distillation of the coal tar. Phenol or carbolic acid was used by Liston in 1867. Phenol 1% has bactericidal action. Many derivatives of phenol are more effective and less costly. Here is some example: chlorohexanol, Fenticor, trichlorosan, then orthophenyl phenol. Next, alcohol. Alcohol have fairly rapid bactericidal action against vegetative bacteria when diluted to the concentration of 60 to 70% volume by volume with water. Ethanol 60 to 70% volume by volume and isopropanol 50 to 60% volume by volume are used as skin disinfectant while methanol vapor has been used as fungicide. The higher alcohol, that is propanol, butyl, propyl, butyl, amyl, etc., are more germicidal than ethyl alcohol. Alcohol are used as preservative in some vaccine. Aldehyde, in that formaldehyde example, HCHO is the main aldehyde used for disinfection. Formaldehyde in solution is useful for sterilization of certain instruments. Effective as gas or an aqueous solution, contain 34 to 38% weight by weight of formaldehyde. Glutaraldehyde is a dialdehyde with rapid sporicidal and tuberculocidal action. Mainly 2% concentration is used. Applied in the field of medical for sterilization, urological, lens and other instruments. Quaternary ammonium compound. Quaternary ammonium compound are widely used for the control of microorganisms on floors, walls, nursing homes and other public places. They are also used as skin antiseptics and as sanitizing agent in dairy, egg and fishing industries. Example citrimide, cetylpyridinium chloride and benzalkonium chloride. Then next dyes. A number of dyes has been used to inhibit the bacterial growth. Basic dyes are more effective bactericides than acidic dyes. Example acridine and triphenyl methane dyes are commonly used as antimicrobial agent. Detergent and soaps. They are widely used as surface active agent, wetting agent and emulsifier. They are classified into four main groups such as anionic, cationic, non-ionic and amphoteric. The most important antibacterial agent are the cationic surface active agent, example citrimide, benzalkonium chloride, etc. Soap and sodium lauryl sulfate are ionic compound. Soap prepared from saturated fatty acid are more effective against gram-negative bacilli, while those prepared from unsaturated acid have greater action against gram-positive bacteria. Non-ionic detergents are not ionized. However, these substances do not possess significant antimicrobial activities. Amphoteric compounds have the detergent property of anionic surfactant combined with disinfectant property of cationic surfactant. Example Tego compound. Mode of action of disinfectant. Alteration of membrane permeability, damage to protein, rupture of cell membrane, damage to nucleic acid, interfere with metabolic pathway. Factors affecting disinfection. First one is concentration of disinfectant, second temperature, third time of contact, fourth pH of environment, fifth surface tension, sixth formulation of disinfectant, seven chemical structure of disinfectant, eight types and number of microorganisms present, 9 interfering substance in the environment, 10 potentiation, synergism and antagonism of disinfectant. First one is concentration of disinfectant. The lethal effect of bacterial population is increased by increasing the concentration of disinfectant. However, the effectiveness is generally related to the concentration exponentially, not linearly. There are optimum concentration of phenol at about 1%. Beyond this concentration, the disinfecting effectiveness becomes less. The dilution coefficient can be calculated from the following equation. Here, N is equal to concentration exponent of or dilution coefficient for disinfectant. T1 is equal to the dead time with disinfectant concentration at concentration C1. T2 is the dead time with disinfectant concentration at concentration C2. Temperature. The lethal effect on bacterial population can be increased by increasing the temperature. The effect of temperature on bactericidal activity may be expressed quantitatively by means of a temperature coefficient. The temperature coefficient per degree rise in the temperature is denoted by theta, whereas per 100 degrees Celsius rise in the temperature is expressed by theta 10 or Q10 value. Thus, theta 10 or Q10 value is equal to time required to kill at temperature in Celsius and time required to kill at temperature plus 100 degrees Celsius. The value for Q10 for phenol is 4, which means that over the 100 C range used to determine the Q10, the activity will be increased by factor 4. Time of contact. Sufficient time of contact must be allowed for the disinfectant to exert its action. pH of the environment. A change of pH during the disinfection process can affect the range of growth inoculum. A pH of 6 to 8 is optimal for the growth of many bacteria and the rate of growth decline on either side of the range. Phenolic and acidic antimicrobial agents usually have greatest activity in acidic condition. Acridine dyes and quaternary ammonium compound are usually more active in alkaline than in acidic solution. Amphoteric antimicrobials, that is Tego compound, have optimal activity at widely differing pH value. Chemical structure of disinfectant. Chemical structure of compound affect the disinfectant activity. Substitution of an alkyl chain up to 6 carbon in length in para position to phenolic OH group increases activity, but greater than 6 carbon in length decreases water solubility and disinfectant activity. Generally, halogenation increases the antimicrobial activity of phenol, but nitration increases antibacterial activity and systematic toxicity also. Types and number of microorganisms present. The efficiency of distribution greatly depends on the nature and the number of contaminating microorganisms and especially on the presence and absence of bacterial spores. It can be seen that most vegetative bacteria are rapidly killed by most chemical disinfectant. Bacterial spores are difficult to destroy, but some disinfectant, example aldehyde, are sporicidal. Interfering substances in the environment. Materials such as blood, body fluid, pus, milk, food residue or colloidal protein may reduce the effectiveness of disinfectant if present in small amount. The presence of oil and fat markedly reduce the disinfecting ability of phenolics. Potentiation, synergism and antagonism of disinfectant. Potentiation of a disinfectant leads to enhanced antimicrobial activity. Synergistic effects are often shown by two antimicrobial agents which is giving in increased activity. Antagonism effects are often shown by two antimicrobial agents which is giving an decreased activity. Evaluation of antimicrobial agent and disinfectant techniques and method used for evaluation of disinfectant. First, tube dilution and agar plate method. Second, cup plate method or cylinder plate method. Third, ditch plate method. Fourth, gradient plate techniques. Fifth, phenol coefficient method.